In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting agenda in Microsoft Teams. This process can help ensure that your meetings are well organized and efficient, and it'll make sure everyone knows what to expect. To get started, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams on your desktop. Make sure you're logged into your account, and navigate to your Teams or chat section where you can see your conversations and team channels. Once there, you're going to locate the specific team or individual chat where you'd like to create your meeting agenda. Click on it to open the conversation. From here, you should look towards the upper right corner of the Teams interface. You will notice an option labeled Calendar. When you click on Calendar, you're brought to a new window displaying your upcoming meetings and scheduled events. This could be your first step to setting up a meeting properly in Microsoft Teams, so take a moment to familiarize yourself if you haven't used it before. Now, you'll want to schedule a meeting. In the top right corner, you'll see a New Meeting button. Click this to open the meeting setup window. Here, fill in the necessary details like the meeting title, date, start and end times. Make sure these details fit your organizational needs and that you verify time zones if participants are from different areas. You can also invite attendees by typing in their names or emails. To add your agenda, you have several options. You may want to decide whether to include the agenda directly within the calendar invite description itself. This makes it immediately visible to anyone who opens the calendar invite. Alternatively, for a more structured approach, you can attach a document that outlines your agenda in detail. This could be beneficial if your agenda is particularly lengthy or needs formatting that email invitations don't support. To do this, simply scroll down in the meeting setup window and use the Attach function to add your document. Once you've added your agenda, whether in the description or as an attachment, make sure to review everything for accuracy. Double-check the date and time, confirm that all necessary attendees are invited, and ensure your agenda is clear and complete. When you're ready to send out the invite, you can click Send. This will notify the attendees and automatically place the meeting in their Teams calendar. Remember, having a clear, organized agenda helps keep meetings focused and productive. It allows all participants to prepare appropriately, ensuring that you get the most out of your time together. If you find any issues, don't hesitate to edit the meeting details or agenda. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you streamline your Microsoft Teams meetings. Enjoy your session.